Hello, are you here to learn how to submit a form without reloading the web page? Yes, let's do it. So this is our final result. When I fill in some data here and when I click the submit email, the page is not reloaded and it's showing thanks for contacting us message. We can make this with a few lines of JavaScript and jQuery library. Hope you have PHP installed in your PC and open your favorite text editor and let's make an HTML form. Here I am using Sublime Text and I already created the HTML form. So here is the HTML form. You can see we set an action to mail.php and we have few fields like name, email, message and mobile and a submit button. Now we have to create the action file, that means mail.php. We have to save this first. I am saving this form as form.php and the action file is mail.php that we set here, that is mail.php, and both are in the same directory. So here I am going to write some codes like we are getting this data from our form and displaying here. Yes, when we submit the form, we will print out the name in the action page. Let's try that. And let's try that. Okay, we have the form here, so just type a name, for example Ajit, and we can see the data here. Because we are printing the input field, input name here, and you can see if I click the send email button and it will go to the mail.php file. So now we are going to do add some JavaScript to make form submission without changing this page. If you submit this form, then it will display the values, I mean the data coming from that page over here. So let's do it. So open your code editor once again and we have to add our JavaScript, I mean jQuery library on top of that. Okay, we have to add the jQuery library. Then we have to add a small lines of JavaScript. Okay, so what will happen here when we click the submit button, that means the ID submit, and it will execute this function. We are posting the form data as a serialized array to our action page. Okay, so after that we are getting a response from that action page and we are storing the entire HTML content to this response ID and displaying that response ID wherever you want. In our case we are displaying that ID here, so it will display whatever data we are getting from the mail.php file. Okay, let's try this and refreshing the page and typing something here and we can see that is displayed here. So you can see if there is any refreshing, you can see this refreshing, and I am adding my name here and you can see there is, and that is not loaded again and is automatically displayed our content. So we can make some modification into our mail.php file. We are displaying some more contents, email and message. I am adding a line break for this. If I refresh this, what will I get? You can see all the data are displaying here. So this is how we can make any form can submit without reloading the page. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.